We're going to demonstrate issuing a general permit to work. So we've logged in and we're on the home screen. We can see a list of all the permits according to their status. Now our permit will be listed under the Created Permits section at the top of the list. Another way of finding permits is by using the Permit Lists screen. So let's have a look at this now. So we click on the Permits menu item from the menu bar. And the next screen is the Permit Lists screen, where you can see all the permits in the system ordered by newest permit first. We can use the filters provided to search for specific permits. For example, we can search for all the permits for a specific company using the company filter. When a filter is applied, the little funnel icon will become orange. We can also hide the filters by clicking on the funnel icon. To reset the filter, just select the Reset button. Our permit's at the top of the list, so let's have a look at it again now. We can do that by clicking on the View button next to it. So we can see that everything's still editable because the permit was only just at the creation stage. If we're happy with all the details, the next step will be to issue the permit. Click on the Issue button and the issue screen will load. At the top of the issue screen, there's a section outlining other work currently done in the same area. This is only for information and it doesn't stop the permit being issued. To issue the permit, we need to select the person who will do the work and the start and end time of the permit. The issuer will sign the permit. You can have more than one signature here, and we can also email the permit to either individuals or a group of people. And finally, we enter our password for security and click on Issue Permit. Our permit is now issued and it appears on the permit board. You can now view details of the permit, sign into it if a contractor came in late to do the work, and print a PDF copy of the permit up until the issue stage. The next step in our simple permit process will be to hand back the permit when the work's complete. Please check out the Hand Back Permit video to see how this is done.